Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install our American flag fuel door vinyl kit for the 2019 to 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vinyl overlay will add a bit of style and break up the long, flat looking side of our Silverado we have in the shop today. Pre-cut to the perfect shape of the factory fuel door cover and available in 7 different colors, this kit is easily installed, giving us an instant style change to the side of our truck. The 2.5mm intermediate PVC film has excellent stability that makes this for a perfect long-lasting finish. Installation is going to be easily done. We will start off by cleaning the surface with a simple soap and water mixture. Then, using the same soap and water mixture, we will lightly spray the clean fuel door cover. This will give us a light mist that will allow us to move the flag into the perfect position. With the flag positioned where we want it, we will start in the center and work our way out, squeezing all the water and air out from behind the vinyl. Then we can slowly peel the transfer paper off the vinyl. And there you have it, guys. That does it for the installation of our American flag fuel door vinyl. This overlay can break up the long looking side of the Silverado while adding a bit of patriotism. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.